Hello everyone, welcome to the series of tips and tricks at Mathegination. Our today's question is about the basic arithmetic rule to solve any arithmetic expression in mathematics, i.e. BODMAS or PEMDAS rule. Okay, so in this question we have given an arithmetic expression which is 5 multiply with the bracket 2 into 3 raised to the power 4 divided by 6 plus 7 minus 8. We have to solve this expression, but if you solve this expression without a BODMAS or PEMDAS rule, you got an incorrect answer. Why? We will see that. First of all, let us notice that whenever we are solving any question in mathematics, we are using a standard convention of going from left to right. Okay, so here we also use this convention. We read our question from left to right. Okay, but what we have to do, instead of just going left to right, we also use the actual law of which use we use to solve any arithmetic expression. And these rules are, if you are a student of UK academic system, you have to follow this rule BODMAS. If you are a student of Canadian or American student system, you have to follow PEMDAS or PEDMAS. So what these rules are and what these rules are for. Let's see. BODMAS says whenever you are solving any arithmetic expression, you have to solve bracket first. After solving the bracket, you have to solve the order in the question. Order mean if there are any power, root or exponent, so solve these powers first. Then do division, multiplication, addition and subtraction in that order. PEMDAS rule are exactly the same as BODMAS. It says solve parentheses first. So parentheses mean brackets. So this is also saying that first in the question solve parentheses, then solve exponents, i.e. again powers. So after parentheses solve powers, then multiplication, division, addition and subtraction in that order. Here you notice that in BODMAS division comes first and multiplication comes second. And in the PEMDAS rule, we have multiplication first and division second. So in BODMAS, division comes first. In PEMDAS, multiplication comes first. But actually, this is a not problem, but a level of preferences. Actually, multiplication, I am writing it in short, multi for multiplication and division, div, both have same level of preferences. So both have the level of preferences which is exactly same. So it means you can solve any one of them first whenever or whatever you like, right? That's why PEMDAS also sets PEDMAS. So in which you can see that division comes first and multiplication afterward. So actually PEDMAS is exactly the same as BODMAS, but PEMDAS and PEDMAS or BODMAS all are the same things. They are just saying order, before order, do the bracket. So first of all, do the bracket first, solve it, solve bracket first in the question. Then solve power in the question, then division or multiplication. You can choose any one of them first and the other one to the second. Then addition and subtraction. Now let's see, after seeing these rules, our question, which is 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 4 divided by 6 plus 7 minus 8. Now according to BODMAS and PEMDAS rule, we have to solve this bracket first. Okay, so 5 multiplied by, we have 2 multiply. Now we are solving bracket first, i.e. 2 multiply by 3 raised to the power 4. We are solving this term first. So in this term you can see in the brackets we have 2, then multiply 3 to the power 4. 2 multiply 3 raised to the power 4. So we have to solve this. In this expression you can see that there is multiplication and there is a power. So you have to solve power first because BODMAS and PEMDAS both say this, say that you use exponent first. So to multiply, we have to solve 3 raised to the 4 power first. Now 3 raised to the 4 means we have to multiply 3 with 4 times. So 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 3, 27, 27 into 3 gives 81. So it means when 3 raised to the power 4 is 81. So we solve exponent first in the bracket. So we solve bracket first and in the bracket we solve exponent first. Like BODMAS or PEMDAS said to us, plus divided by 6 plus 7 minus 8 remains at. Now 5 multiply, there is bracket, right? We didn't solve it completely. So 2 multiplied by 81. So when you multiply 2 with the 81, so 2 1s is to 2, 2 8 is 16. So we got 162. Now our bracket is completely solved. You can notice that here I am using all the calculation without calculator because this is actually the requirement of the question that you have to solve this question without a calculator. So whatever calculation I am doing it by hand, right? Okay, now we have 5 multiplied by 162 divided by 6 plus 7 minus 8. In this expression, now we have no bracket. So actually we solve the bracket first, right? Now after that, we see that we have to solve powers first. Now there is no power in the question. Then division. Okay, so there is division. So when we divide 162 divided by 6, we have to solve this first. So let's see 162, we have to divide it by 6. So 6 come outside, 162 comes inside. 6 into 2 is 12, 1 is to 1 cancel, 6 minus 2 is 4, so we got 42, and 6, 7 into 3 gives us 42. So it means we got 5 multiplied by 126, 162 divided by 6 is 27 plus 7 minus 8. Now we have in our operations here, we have 3 operations, multiply, plus and minus, that remains. Now we do multiplication first because of the BODMAS or PEMDAS rule. Now 5 into 27, so we have to multiply 27 with 5. 5 7 35, 5 to 10 or 3 is 135. So actually it gives 135 plus 7 and minus 8. Now 135 plus 7 is 142 minus 8, right? So 142 and minus 8 gives you 134. So 134 is our actual answer. So in our question, you can see that part B 135. Sorry, this is 134. Actually, the answer is written incorrectly here. So this is not 135 but 134. So actually part B is our correct answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel Mathgination so you can learn more topics, more advanced concepts in our channel. Okay, until the next video, bye bye.